Welcome to Art Hub. Today I'm going to draw simple and easy scenery for kids. For mountains, I'm going to draw little triangles. For sun, I'm going to draw a circle. On one side, we are going to draw a river. On the other side, we are going to draw a tree. Subscribe for more fun videos. Let's draw boat. Half circle, triangles. This is our boat. Now I'm going to draw some birds. Clouds. Our scenery is complete. Now we are going to make it more prominent. Now comes the fun part, coloring. I'm using dark green color for the tree. You can use any color you like. I like to draw in color. If you like to draw, please join me. For the tree trunk, I'm using brown color. Orange color for the mountains. Light blue for clouds. Yellow color for bright sun. Light green color for grass. Let's color our boat. Red color. Dark blue color. Now light blue color for river. And there we have it, our easy and simple scenery for kids. Subscribe for more drawing videos. Thanks for watching.